Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So I'm currently sat in the back of my Volkswagen Caddy. I have just finished chopping up and butchering the bulkhead in my van because, as a lot of you will already know, I'm doing a conversion on this, and to fill these B pillars in nicely, if you don't want to be left with a gap, you either have to buy new trims or you can cut up your bulkhead and carpet line it like I've done here. So I'm going to show you how I've done that. I've also just done this custom made beautiful trim piece to go over the holes from where the bulkhead was, because otherwise you're going to be left with a load of mess up there from the factory headliner. I didn't want to cut out a new headliner because I'm lazy, so I'm going to show you how I've done that. But what I'm going to do is kick the video off with me sound deadening the van floor, but unfortunately I couldn't finish it because I've run out. I've got 3/4 of the way and I've got no more of this. I'm waiting for it to turn up. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on with it. I've run out of sound deadening, so I'm going to cut the bulkhead trims out so that can obviously go on the B pillars and make it nice and neat. I'm meant to cut down here around this bit and down all the way to the bottom. My choice of tool is a jab saw. Double-sided, this one. Apparently it should cut through plastic like butter. Let's see. Alright, safety first. Oh, it's so cold today. These are freezing. Right, I'm going to start here. This is going to take forever. Be a right old botch job. It's actually cutting really nice straight lines. I will be carpet lining this anyway, so it doesn't matter. But you can see here, like I'm coming straight down this bit here, but you've got to be careful of this section. So I'm going to have to somehow go across the back and along. But to get my knife in there, I'm actually going to drill a hole. Just do a straight line across and make it a lot easier. I went too straight there, I shouldn't have done that. I made a little mistake, but it don't matter because I can tidy that up and the carpet will cover it. I'm going to carry on, I'm going to drill another hole here and then just follow this line all the way down to the bottom now. Fuck for that. Oh, that's graft. What a job. But we're there. I think I've got a bit carried away on this bit though. I have to just straighten that up a little bit, but to be honest, you ain't gonna see it. I'm gonna have to file all of this edge because, well. I'm gonna look at the positives of this. The benefits of doing it by hand is it rids all your toxins from your body. I'm sweating my nut off, but it's coming on all right. All I can say is, if you have a multi-tool, I'd probably prefer to use that. And there we have it. 2 of these done. Just need to file them down and carpet line them. But before I do that, I need to go and have a drink. Right, I'm back feeling fresher than ever. I had to take my jumper and t-shirt now off. I was drenched from that. You wouldn't believe it, even when it's 6 degrees. Anyway, just want to quickly show you this. Some of you may have been watching the Yamaha jog project, which I've been doing. But look at this. I've had the panels all sprayed. This is going to be the colour. And I'll be putting it back together soon. So you will see that in one of my next videos. Oh, and these are the wheels. They're in like a matte black. Got a little bit of a shine on it. Anyway, I'm using my mini file set, which is all I've sort of got at the minute. You know what I've learned? Not to keep buying new tools. Use what you have, if you can. Obviously it's good to have the proper things, but I used to be the sort of person that if I need a file, I'll go to Screwfix, go and pay another tenner for one, but it's like, why? You don't need to. Even if I have to suffer a little bit by using this now file sized one, doesn't matter. Right, so these have been filed. Just going to carpet line them now. Got some offcuts, which I'm sure we'll get around that. I'm showing cut with this. Right, let's give it a go. I ain't got a clue how I'm going to do this, but one thing is for sure, I want to cover my lovely table. one done. It's looking absolutely textbook. Have a look at that. Beautiful. Absolute nightmare of a job though. Wasn't easy to trim this, but looks alright. Right, let's chop out the second one, and then yeah, we can hopefully start getting the panels back in the van and get these on and fitted. Right, that's both of these all trimmed up and done. They actually look alright. Time for an orange break. Right, I'm going to start putting all these panels back in so that I can put the bulkhead trim on, and I'm just going to be so happy once I've done that, because all I've got to do then is sound deaden this, chuck the floor back down, and we've got a lovely, fully functional van. Right, let's put you on time lapse, just get on with it. Right, as you can see, that is the bulkhead sides back up. It makes it look a lot neater. I had to put one of them trims back in, but we got there. But yeah, it's coming on really well. Happy with that, it looks alright. And the other thing I've got to do is make a trim for this right across the top. Let's see what width and depth and all that sort of stuff we need. 840 by 85. What I'm going to do is cut this thermal van liner to shape, and then carpet line it, and then somehow see what it looks like and fit it back up inside of the van. So we're cutting it fine there, haven't we? We seem to be like upcycling everything at the minute. These have got these little square grooves on them, so we know it's going to be sweet as a nut. There we go. I don't need a straight edge, I'll just follow this square all the way. You can ask, how on earth did I do that? Kind of straight, isn't it? Chop it up. Right, so we know that is going to fit. What we'll do next is carpet line that. You know, there's two sides to this carpet, if you didn't know. Look at this. Masterpiece, take a look at that. Right, let's offer this up, see how she looks. Right, what I'm going to do is go and get some velcro or something, so this can be stuck up and then removed as and when I need to. Halford sells some velcro stick-on tape, 1 metre length, for £3, so I'm going to jump down there and go and get it. Right, so I just picked this up from Halford's, and this is the heavy duty version. For an extra 50p, we've got a 2 kilogram hold, and they're all in circles. Right, let's go and work out where we want to put these in the van. Put one here, but I don't actually think we're going to need both sides of this. We could just use one of the sticky sides, so about here, we reckon. And it should stick on straight to the carpet, just like that. Another one. Don't even need both sides, so you only need half. So, another one here. Oh, this is just absolutely unbelievable, isn't it? What makes it a lot better is obviously they're just pre-cut circles. And then one more just about here. That is all done. Well, I never. Custom made trim for the van. And obviously if ever I need to take it off, I just put it down, but that ain't going anywhere and I don't need to bring that down. That is a thing of beauty. Just take a look at it. Right, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought of the music in this one. It's something different. I don't know why I used it. I just listened to it. I thought, you know what, I can chuck that in there. Also, if you want to support the channel, I've got stickers and merch and stuff down below in the description. Click the links and you can see all of that. And that'll be it for this one. And I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.